Good day, everyone. We are the Group 6, and today we're going to tackle about the evaluation of Pateros technological website. But first and foremost, we're going to show you the overview of the Pateros technological website. So that is the Pateros technological website. If you open the link. So now let's proceed with evaluation. Let's start with Miss Georgeline Sanica.
Good day, everyone. My name is Isabel Saneta. Mariana Boss is executive get the fiber. Please get send para sa kanila. Natin lang the previous level what next? Good day, everyone. I'm Christina Paz. I think the website instruction number 2 may not be reliable because it lacks secure HTTPS encryption, making it vulnerable to security breaches and data encryption.
So everyone, I am John Gregorio and I'm going to discuss the website instruction number 2. It is not a reliable website. Instruction number 2 requires you to click on the Pateros Technological College link. So the quotations from various sources are the first thing that you will see. Additionally, you can view the programs that the university offers. There are also 4 links that will appear when you browse Alcocoa, DepEd, CHED, and Pateros City. I also tried to click on each tab to view the pertinent content. All 4 URLs successfully opened, while the Alcocoa tab appears to be an online game site instead of educational purposes. For me as a student, it is not a reliable.
Hello, my name is Jester E. Matipag. For me, it's not a reliable site because it's not optimized. And if you click the bottom of the website, you will see 4 links. In those 4 links, you can open Gen, Padaro City, DepEd, and Alco. But the Alco link doesn't work open in a different site.
The website is reliable because it provides detailed information about the college program, admission process, accreditation, and partnership with organizations like CHED, AGOA, and business and industry, make it a comprehensive and trustworthy source of information for prospective students.
Everyone, I'm Raymar Nabantan. For me, the website is not reliable because it's not created by a reputable organization and it provides inaccurate or unverifiable information and it shows biased content and it's outdated, poorly designed, or uses untrustworthy information. That's why it is not a reliable website.
So thank you for sharing your evaluations with us. But to summarize it all, as you can see, there are difference of opinions and insights from different persons. So to summarize it, so a credible or reliable source is one where you can trust the information that the sources provides. So you can rely on the information provided within the source because the person, or as to summarize, is the institution or the publisher that is providing this information is a credible source for what information. But in this case, we can say that it is not reliable because in Alcoa website, the information found on the information found on the web of Alcoa has been checked. It has not been checked for accuracy, or it is an online game instead of education purposes. So again, we are the group 6 members, and I hope you've learned from us.